I'd like to welcome each and every one of you guys to my 30,000 mile review on my Chevrolet 2020 Spark. The airing of this video will mark 3 years exactly that I've owned this car. Now, like I do all the other times, let me tell you about the things I don't like, and then I'll tell you about the things I do. One of the problems we've had since last year with the car is the rims are oxidizing. Yeah, they're getting a little rusty. Now, personally, I have read online that that's normal, that happens. Now, I'm also starting to wonder, could I take it in to where I bought the car and the dealership, and maybe it may be on warranty and they might be able to do something. But yeah, I noticed that's happening, and more than likely it's probably because where I live, a lot of salt on the road, and we did have a harsh winter. It could be that. The other problem I mentioned last time I did the 25,000 mile review, the windshield wipers. The windshield wipers in this particular vehicle were a nightmare to change. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but they wasn't that easy. One other thing about owning a Chevrolet Spark, it doesn't matter the year, you are going to hear a lot of road noise. That's to be expected with any small car. But guys, that's pretty much it. And to tell you the things I do like about it, that's easy. Great gas mileage, it's a fun little car, and not to mention it's sexy. Now, the wife and I did get the windows tinted, and the reason we did that, because at nighttime, some of the bigger trucks would blind us through the rearview mirror, or blind us, you know, because they're up higher than we are. But we got the windows tinted, we don't have that problem anymore. Every time we fill up with gas, we mark it down in a little book. Every single time. And this is the book we use. We talk about, well, we mark down the price of the gas, how much gas we use, when we got gas, etc., etc. We've been doing this from the first time we filled this car up, and we haven't stopped yet in the 3 years. We also been doing a review every 5,000 miles. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. The car right now has 29,500 miles. Not quite 30,000. Now, I was doing some checking out today, and they say you're supposed to put the average about 11 to 12,000 miles on a car. That's what a person would do. Well, we're under that, and the reason we're under that, the last summer when we really pack on the miles, my family and I went through COVID, and it was just a horrible summer. But this summer, I guarantee we're gonna make it up. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. My 2020 Chevrolet Spark, 30,000 mile review. And I still love the car from the first time I bought it. It is a nice car. It takes my wife and I to all of our adventures. We do a lot of fishing, a lot of hiking. We've had this car in some really rough territory, and it's handled it like a pro. I absolutely love this car. Maybe the next 35,000 miles, I might actually give it a bath before I do a video. It was clean, but it is wintertime where I live, and it does pick up dirt because it is jet black. Guys, that's been my 30,000 mile review. Leave your comments. And I'm not being sponsored by Chevrolet whatsoever. None. It's just my honest opinion. All right, guys, till next time, come on, let's get out of here.